thumb out like that. I'll look at your thumb.
This is how well scripted these films are,
Yeah.
So I'm Barry Godin and welcome back to Dorking today. I'm accompanied with the Andy.
Yeah, I'm Andy, and obviously we're going to be doing some riding around the Surrey Hills on a lovely day.
He hasn't been out for very often.
Once in 6 months, so
if you seem rather excitable, that would be why. Today, what we're going to try and challenge ourselves with?
We're going to try and do the Surrey Hills Three Peaks.
The Three Peak Challenge. They're very small peaks, but there's quite a lot of undulations on the way, so it should be a lot of climbing, a lot of fun, a lot of good trails, hopefully a bit of dust, a bit of loam, but the sun is out, it's freezing cold, so I don't really know what to wear. So you might see a few costume changes throughout the day.
Smiles for miles.
Cool, enjoy the trails. Trail number 1 starts just here.
Woo. Happy days kind of day.
So I might just dive in the bag to find the GoPro to strap it on. And I seem to have I have the chest mount, I've got the helmet mount, I've got the chest mount, but there seems to be a GoPro missing from inside. So there'll be less of that POV action unless I kind of clamp the iPhone in my mouth all the way down. So it'd be more of a story day. Here's the story of the Three Peak Challenge.
No POV required.
That was damn good fighting first trail. Eyes are watering, can't see anything, but he gets the juices flowing. So as a warm-up descent, just in Ranmore, and up this whopping road climb with all the roadies.
Ooh, and we're going to be a lot slower. Well, I am.
Maybe.
Hello. How you doing?
It's more just for footage to fill in the gaps, you know. Well, it looks like riding the Lake Trip paid off the other week. This little route ball's really thrown me off the past few years, and now it's absolutely nothing.
I said he could do it.
So I'm stoked. Right, Andy, you're up there next. That is a bit of a rad trail down there. I can't really tell you where it is because all of these are all kind of a little bit secret, but super steep. You'd be shocked at how steep it is here in the old Surrey Downs. But yeah, so now we've got a bit of a cruise over to Westcott and a whopping climb up to Leith Hill. Stopped off for a little bit of jump practice. Dropping in. Yeah. Nature Watch with Andy. There he is, riding uphill along a trail, and suddenly finds a little red tow store. There has to be bags.
I'll give me breath back.
And deep in the forest, there's another mountain biker found a fungus. Today of all days was the worst day not to bring my GoPro. You just missed the most incredible thing in the world. Andy got all a bit nervous in this steep chute over there. And he thought, oh, I'll do this ridgeline. No problem. Yes, this is blood, so if you're squeamish, I'm sorry. You kind of come off this drop up there, down this shady bit, missed the flat corner, which is quite hard to actually get, came down here, and then eventually actually decided to roll off down this massive drop here, which actually is probably about 8-10 foot down, and land in that bush somewhere over there. So he tells the tale. I, for once, have been carrying my first aid kit. Most of the time I'm not. But he's still bleeding. I think he needs it. Gushing. So Surrey Hills is not a place to come and mess around in.
Serious mountain biking.
You never know when it's going to go horribly wrong.
And it did.
So here we are back in Peaslake at the village store, which means we've completed 3 peaks. All that matters now is we've got 3 more peaks to get back to the station. We're only halfway. And it's like 3:30 or 4. It's getting quite late. After Andy's spectacular falling off a cliff, he's recovering at the moment. He's had a nice bit of cake, cup of tea, and he's all right now. He's got Harrogate water. They're the poshest for him.
Life.
There's me drinking out of streams and ditches. So yeah, cool. So today's video's not been the best for you all, or action-packed, but hopefully there's been some fun in that. And hopefully we'll see you in the next few hills back over. Here we are, we made it to the end. A whopping 35 miles and 1,500 metres of climbing, pretty big. Cracking day out, lots and lots of trails, found a load of new trails. It's just nice being out and about in the woods. Bit cold and windy at the end. Yeah, pretty grand. See you next time. Ciao for now.